Hello everyone, in this lesson we'll be looking at question 4 taken from your recent topic test, Advanced Algebra topics. Alright, question 4. Let's have a look at the question 4. We are supposed to simplify 2 to the power of n plus 3 minus 2 to the power of n minus 1 all over 2 to the power of 2n plus 3 minus 2 to the power of 2n minus 1. Alright, so first what we're going to do is we are going to split the index notation. 2 to the power of n plus 3. This can turn into 2 to the power of n times 2 to the power of 3. And then 2 to the power of n minus 1 can turn into 2 to the power of n times 2 to the power of negative 1. Or I can write this as 1 over 2. Okay, and then as the denominator, I got 2 to the power of 2n, and then again, additional power means multiplication, and then 2 to the power of 2n, and then times 1 over 2, or 2 to the power of negative 1. Now from there, I got 8 times 2 to the power of 2n, 2 to the power of n, minus half of 2 to the power of n over 8 times 2 to the power of 2n minus half of 2 to the power of 2n. Okay, let's factorize this 2 to the power of n. Got 8 minus half. And then factorize 2 to the power of 2n. I got 8 minus 1 half as well. So now I can cancel this. What I got left is 2 to the power of n. 2 to the power of 2n is the same as 2 to the power of n square, or 2 to the power of n times 2 to the power of n. When it's simplified, we got 1 over 2 to the power of n. Okay, so that's the answer to question 4.